In this video, we guide you through the process of making a hotel reservation and the steps involved in checking into your room. Please fill in all the required information in the arrival and reservation information section. Next, navigate to the room information section to choose the room you wish to reserve. Click on the Create Reservation button at the bottom of the form to finalize the reservation. Then, proceed by clicking on the Reservation button found on the navigation bar. Click on the Reservation List button on the navigation bar. Take a look at the reservation list on the screen and click the green check mark to check into your room. During check-in, the form automatically fills in the contact number field with the same contact number. When checking in, the form pre-fills the first name field with the name entered at the time of reservation. The form pre-populates the city field with the name given at the time of reservation. The room type drop-down menu automatically displays the room type chosen during the reservation. If you need to change the room type, you can do now during check-in if required. Kindly scroll down to explore more options available in the form. Enter any required details in the Check-in Details section at this time. The Address Details section will automatically display the address chosen at the time of reservation. Complete the check-in process by clicking on the Create Check-in button in the form area. The check-in has now been successfully completed. Your check-in process is now complete following your reservation.